to hold it?
Yeah? Okay. Hi, good afternoon. We're the Alchemist group, and we're here to present the wearable mouse. Meet Grace. Grace is 63 years old. She lives with her husband at home. She suffers from Lewy bodies type dementia. She's very comfortable around the computer, however has difficulty accessing a mouse. Therefore, she's unable to perform daily tasks that she would do normally, such as check her email or read the news.
Meet James. James is 85, and he's been living with dementia for 10 years. He lives in a long-term facility care home, and unfortunately, there are not very many resources available for people in late-stage dementia. But what if James and Grace could access technology and enjoy themselves while doing so? What if they were positively reinforced along the way and mentally stimulated? Meet the wearable mouse.
The wearable mouse breaks all barriers of mobility, it simplifies gamification, and it allows both the patient and the caregiver to track down cognitive ability. Not only that, but it is very, very user-friendly, and it is also very cost-effective.
To accompany the wearable mouse, we've created the drum kit. The drum kit allows users to wear the mouse and virtually play the drums. There are prompts to allow the game to start, and the user can easily see how movements stimulate sound and movement on screen. As the user continues to play the game, they have the option to increase difficulty as it goes forward. They can either add 1 drum or 2 drum to increase the difficulty of the game. In addition, they are positively reinforced as positive memories or positive messages appear on the screen. It also includes sound. We wanted to tap into the immense benefits of musical therapy, as it is one of the only therapies that allows people with dementia to access previously inaccessible parts of their memory.
The drum kit is not the only application that can be used with the mouse. It is only one that we chose to build to showcase the mouse today. But the idea is that you'll be able to use this mouse with any kind of application depending on how it would be useful for the user. It is different from other technologies such as a Wii or an iPad because it has gesture recognition, so you can actually move your fingers like this. It'll know what you're doing. It tracks data, so you can collect data on this and can send reports to either the patient or the caregiver as well. Very user-friendly, can be used on all ages, and yeah, can adapt to any kind of platform. So if you already have a computer, a desktop, an iPad, you can already use that with whatever you have available.
And finally, the biggest barrier this breaks is it's a device that can be used throughout all stages of dementia. In addition, you can be used singly or in a group, and it can be used at home or in a nursing care facility. It's completely adaptable to the user's needs. Thank you so much.
Sure, thanks. Quick question. What are the capabilities of sensing for the glove? What are the different dimensions that you can track and sort of?
So in this particular configuration, we have the left hand tracking the position of the fingers, and the right hand is acting as a mouse. So we track the position of the hand in 3D to convert into mouse positions.
Thank you.
And you said that you can collect other data from it being used. So in addition to the positioning, what sort of things were you thinking?
So we had a graph on our game, so we were thinking of the present. So our game collects also data in the meantime, so we can compare the person to themselves and see how. I don't know if you have this.
If we can get that on the screen. Essentially what it does is, so we're just focusing on the games for this demo because of the time constraints, but we have a game called Drum Kit here, and it basically logs all your keystrokes, the time spent on games, the difficulty level, and that feeds into our machine learning engine, which kind of feeds back into the games. At the same time, because we have gesture recognition, we can also track daily chores, activities, which again feeds into the engine. And there's sort of the game almost becomes like a living organism that adapts as the person kind of progresses through different stages.
And just to check, you said it's suitable for any platform or any device? So
Yes.
if a care home already had an existing computer?
Whatever computer, whatever desktop, whatever you already have available, you just plug this in and you're able to use it. So you don't need to buy an iPad. You don't need to buy anything else aside from this glove. But again, it will progress with you throughout your sickness. So maybe you'll start using it as a mouse at first because you're unable to do that. But later on, it'll become more of a game. So the life cycle of the product actually extends throughout the sickness. It's not something that you can use only on one particular time. On the contrary, we wanted to make it adaptable for all stages.